Okay, so we're on a train ride through our mall. My kids love to do this, like $10.50 for a 5-minute ride, but hey. Alright, so Bella, say hi. Shalom. Are you on your train? Are you on the train? Hey, look, there's somebody behind us too. You on the train, huh? Look. This is our mall. Okay guys, you gotta wave at everybody. You know the rules, you gotta wave. Okay? So you gotta wave, Wave, say hi, wave, shalom, wave. There you go. Yes, see, everybody waves at the train. It's train tradition, woohoo! So I hope you guys enjoy the tour of our little mall here. Bella, you having fun? What? What are we at? Toy store? Yeah. Did you see the toys? Oh, the cool people who wave. I see. Shalom. Shalom. You having fun? Can you say hi?
Put that right there.
Put what right where?
Put that right here with Bella.
Bella. In a choo-choo? Yeah, I'm going to take you on the ride with me. Great way to spend $10, eh? Making your kids happy. Was this your dream job?
What's that?
Your dream job? Your dream job?
I can't hear you, sorry.
Is this your dream job?
My dream job.
Is it?
Perfect. I always wanted to be a train driver.
Awesome. You have fun with it?
Yeah, definitely. Always wanted to be an engineer as a kid.
Really?
Huh?
Really? Is your ambition?
Huh?
So this was your ambition? Sweet.
For now.
It works. Bella, you having fun? So serious. Why are you so serious? Slow. Did you see a toy store? Sit down. You gotta sit down. That's where I used to work, Dillard's. So, that was our ride. I hope you had fun.
Alright, you guys have fun today.